3 tips to make your first $500 with pay-per-call. Without going anywhere and further ado, let me explain. Before I explain you the 3 tips I use myself to make $500 every single day using pay-per-call affiliate marketing, let me tell you something. Pay-per-call affiliate marketing is the best way to make money easy online, even if you just start for your first time. It is a business model where you have to make people call in a phone number. Someone just have to grab the phone and make a phone call. When they do that, you get paid from $30 up to $100, even $500 for one phone call. You can say, Val, it's not something easy. Let me tell you. With the 3 tips that I'm going to give you, you will be able to do exactly what I do myself to get every single day $500. Let's go. The very first tip that I use myself is to see the lead requirement. What I mean by lead requirement, some companies, they will tell you what is a qualified lead for them. So they say that I'm going to pay you $50 or $20, but this is the requirement for the person that you're going to make call us on the phone number. This is what we expect from them. Sometimes they're going to give you the demographics. They're going to give you the age, the states where they want them to come. And sometimes they may give you some negative keywords that you're supposed to use if you're going to use paid advertisement, because they don't want people not suitable for their offer to call them. They want you to target exactly only the people that will be a good fit for the offer. So the very first tips is to read the description, the requirement for the lead, what they expect to be a qualified lead. Take your time, read this, and make sure you follow everything. And the requirement, they will tell you exactly at what time they want people to call and what day they want people to call them. So if you have people calling in a different time frame or in a different days, you may have some phone calls on Google Ads or any medium that you use to get the traffic, but you still not see any conversion inside of the platform that you use for pay-per-call. Make sure you follow all the guidelines when they will tell you where to go and what to do to be considered as a qualified lead. So if the leads don't follow all these things, for them it's not a qualified lead. You may have people calling, you have a lot of phone calls, but you don't get any money. Now let's talk about the second method that we can use, or second tips that we're going to use today to maximize our profit as a pay-per-call affiliate marketer. Let's say it together. The second tips I have for you today, make sure you make a search or you make a Google search about the product or the offer you want to promote. That's one of the best, for me it's the most important part about promoting a pay-per-call offer. Make sure there is a search volume, make sure the competition is not very high, and make sure you have enough money to cover the cost per click for the offer. If you want to promote something and you don't have enough money, enough budget to promote it, you have to make a search first to know if this offer, you can just jump on it like this. Because just jump because you see people are making money using this offer and you say, oh, I'm going to jump to it. But there are people spending thousands of dollars for the same keyword, so you won't make any money if you don't follow this guideline. This is what myself I do. I don't promote what everyone promoting. I try to find things that is not really popular in terms of competition, I mean, not in terms of search of volume. The keyword is supposed to have enough volume for you to get sales, but at the same time, the competition is supposed to be low. So I use a tool like Keyword Everywhere. When I just search on Google, I see the exact search volume, the cost per click, and the competition. So the lower than 30, it's a good sign that there is low competition for a specific keyword. So make sure you make a search before you jump to an offer to promote it. Everyone try to promote now flight booking, plumbing services, or maybe promote health insurance. I do promote this thing for some reason. I prefer to promote something that are not really popular in terms of competition. I prefer to promote something that less people promote, but I have enough time to maximize my profit. So go on the network like MarketCo, OfferGlobe, see what offer they have, and take the exact keyword about the offer. Go on Google, make a search, or you can go on Google Ads, Google Planner. You go to the Google Planner inside of Google Ads. You make a search to see the search volume, the keyword, and the cost per click, and the highest bid for the keyword. When you do this, it's easy for you to know if this keyword gonna convert. Just to come to the last tips for you today, which is the third one, make sure you have upfront investment available before you jump to promote pay-per-call offer. Make sure you have enough budget, enough money available. What I mean by that, some people say, can I start with a $20, $25 budget to promote an offer? Sometimes I say them yes, because I want them to start. But if I could say you guys, you have to start with 100 per day. You know why? The first 3 days or the first week, you will gain data. You will just assemble data, because you need data first before you can even see some conversion. You will know what keyword works for the specific offer you want to promote, what doesn't. So why you want to do this? You have to have enough money, because when you run your first ad, you're going to spend money, you're going to lose money right off the back. But you want to make money, you have to have some data. When you see what works, what ages, what demographics, what states converts better, and what places people are more likely to click, and what time of the day people click on your ads, and now you can say, okay, I'm going to kill the one that doesn't work, the one that don't bring me any sales, any conversion, and I'm going to focus on the one that bring me money. So you're going to scale them up, like spend more money on them. So this is why you need to start with something that's going to bring you a lot of search. This is why you say you just need to follow the requirement for the first step. The second, you need to know the search volume for the offer. And the last one is to have enough budget, enough money to test out the product first, to test out the offer, to see how many phone calls you receive. And if this offer is not for you, if you have enough budget, you can kill it and you don't regret anything, because you know you have to testing every single time before you find a converted offer. You can just jump to pest control, plumbing services, electrician, because there are great companies out there. They are spending more than $1,000 per day for the same keyword that you're gonna spend only $20 per day. Just imagine. You won't have any traction, any exposure. The first thing is to have enough budget. Like I will say, just start with a budget like $700 per week, like $100 every single day. Or if you are on a low budget, I will say start with $300 up to $500, but start a minimum of $50 per day to test. Because don't see the amount of money that you're gonna make, but think about it. If you spend $500, you can double this with phone calls that people are gonna call. It's a good deal. It's like 100% return on your investment. So this is how I do it. A lot of affiliate marketers, even if they are not in the pay-per-call niche, this is how they do it to have a lot of conversion. So I hope this video was a motivation for you, and just start making money just after watching this video will be a great thing. And if some of you are already making money with pay-per-call, please comment down below. Let me know that you make money, and I'm gonna text you, and I'm gonna give you a phone calls, like a coaching call to hear about your story. If you start making money using my strategy, comment down below and send me screenshot on Skype at presselly.sylvester.com. It was your friend Vanel, as always. Bye-bye.